Welcome back to Great Day. As spring cleaning season is upon us, everyone is looking to clear the clutter from their lives and get a fresh start. And yes, that means taking the time to spring clean your diet as well. That is what we are discussing during Dietitian Talk. We are so happy to have Rabia Rahman with us this morning. She is an assistant professor of nutrition and dietetics at St. Louis University. Rabia, it's always so good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
I'm thrilled to have you because I really like this idea of spring cleaning your diet because it's honestly just kind of going back to the basics of overall healthy eating.
Yeah, a lot of times we think we have to do this major overhaul, but it really is these small, tiny steps that go a long way in getting us back to good health.
So what are some ideas you would have for our viewers and for me too?
Okay, so when you think spring cleaning, we think cleaning, right?
Right.
So overhauling your fridge and your pantry. And the first step to doing that is reading food labels, because that really helps us decide what stays and what goes. So when you go through your fridge and your pantry, look for those highly processed foods that tend to be really high in fat and salt and sugar, and then replace those with the staples of a healthy diet: lean protein and whole grains, fruits and vegetables. And organize your fridge and pantry in a way that the healthiest items are right in front and easy to grab and take with you.
Oh, that is such a good idea. So right when you do open the doors, they are there and you're not tempted by something else. And you mentioned the fruits and veggies. I'm guessing we should probably be eating more of those in general.
Yeah, and I feel like you can't talk to any dietitian without them saying eat more fruits and vegetables, right? So that's sort of our staple recommendation when we're asking anybody to get healthy. But summer and spring are a great time because that's when all the bounty starts. So when in the winter, we've turned to comfort foods. This is a time when we can incorporate some of those fresh fruits and vegetables back into our diet. So think, half of your plate being full with fruits and vegetables and 5 to 9 servings a day.
Rabia, I walk around the station with my drink right here full of water. I'm guessing drinking more water is a good idea. And I don't know if it's only me. It's hard to do when it's cold outside.
It is. I mean, it's not just you. We all tend to go down in our water consumption during those colder months. And when we think about spring cleaning our diet or even improving our diet, we tend to forget about hydration. So it may take a little bit of work to get up to that 6 to 8 recommended glasses of water a day. And if you're not somebody who likes water, you can put some lemon or lime in your water and keep it in the fridge. It's easy to grab and go. Or you can drink something like green tea, which goes towards your fluid needs, but also has a lot of other health benefits.
That's a good idea. And your final idea is to eat with mindfulness.
Yes. So I'm sure a lot of people have heard the term mindful eating. And this one quote really stuck with me that I read once, which is eating with intention while paying attention. That's a great definition for mindful eating. We're so busy and we're eating on the go, or we're sitting and we're eating in front of our computer, or we're sitting and eating in front of the TV. So we really should minimize distractions because that helps us pay attention to what we're eating, but also to pay attention to our hunger and our fullness cues. And it goes a long way.
Rabia, you always make us feel better because these are things we can incorporate into our lifestyle today, basically. And we'll post this segment on our website, kmov.com/greatday, following the show.